Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Well, it has been some time since I last posted the video. Well, the reason was yes. So in my family it was all COVID. Okay, so guys, I'm telling you the last month was really hard for me. बहुत ही difficult time था. It was really difficult time. Okay, so I was just waiting when all things get normalized. Okay, and see, I tell you one thing guys, that the times are really hard. Okay, the times are really hard. Okay, and it is very easy to say okay that everything will be fine, but when I was in the situation I realized that yes, it is easy to say, but when you are actually in that situation it's really difficult. Okay, so I want to tell you one thing, that please guys, please stay positive. Okay, I'm telling you, even though situation is very harsh, okay, even though it is not with you, even though everything is going against you, but still if you are positive it helps. Guys, I'm telling you, so many family members were there who were positive. Okay, I even it was really hard guys. It was really hard for me. Okay, but the point is that eventually things got better and things will get better. Okay, so three things which I want to tell you. Okay, three things which I want to tell you. Firstly, please stay very positive. Okay, do not think that oh my god, see, we overthink sometimes. We think okay, this will happen, that will happen, this will happen, that will happen, and we reach to some very devastating ends. Okay, it will not happen that way. Okay, it will not happen that way. Please stay very positive. Carry a smile. Okay, please carry a smile guys. Agar I know that you may feel, sir, what are you talking, how to carry a smile, it's so much of problem, we are not able to study, it's so much problem, we are facing so many issues. But guys, carry a smile. If you carry this small smile, it will help you to get rid of your worries. Okay, so firstly, please stay positive. Be not watching this news guys. This news is, I am telling you, this is the worst thing that is happening now. Because of this news, even if we are getting well, this news is pulling us back. Okay, this news is pulling us back, it is spreading negativity. Okay, so no news. And thirdly, keep yourself busy guys. You have lots and lots to study. Okay, you are back home, so utilize this time very effectively. Okay, utilize this time very effectively. If you utilize this time very effectively, beta, you will get great results. Okay, think that this is an opportunity for you to be a great engineer, to be a great doctor. Okay, so please, three things that I'm telling you: stay positive, no news. Okay, news dekhni nahi hai, you don't have to listen to news, don't have to see the news. Secondly, carry a smile. Okay, carry a smile. Jab bhi, whenever you're overstressed, whenever you're feeling oh my god, what will happen, just carry a smile. It will help you to get rid of your worries. And thirdly, keep yourself busy. Do lots and lots of study, do lots and lots of work. Keep yourself busy, stay positive, stay energetic, keep rocking guys, because guys, everything will go away. Okay, this too will pass away guys, this too will pass away. Thank you.